Some people don't tell anyone when they start changing their life. Not their best friend, not their family, not even the person they're dating. They rebuild everything, quietly, and by the time anyone notices, it's already done. This isn't secrecy for the sake of hiding, it's something much deeper. Maybe you felt it, the version of you that wants to switch careers, end a relationship, move cities, or just become someone new, but you don't say a word about it. You just start, quietly, almost like you're protecting it. You tell yourself you're not ready to talk about it yet, but really, something else is happening. Psychologists call this identity incubation, a period where a person is forming a new self, and that self is too fragile to survive outside opinions yet. Think of it like a seed underground. If you dig it up every 5 minutes to check on it, it never grows. Growth needs darkness before it needs light. The brain treats a new identity the same way. Every time you announce a change too early, you invite judgment, and judgment forces the brain back into its old, safer self-concept. So people protect the process by hiding it. They go quiet on social media right when they're changing the most. Everyone assumes something's wrong. Actually, the opposite is happening. They're rebuilding, and broadcasting it would break the concentration. They downplay their goals when asked. Just trying a few things, they say. This isn't insecurity. It's self-protection from something called the public commitment trap, where announcing a goal gives your brain a false sense of already achieving it, weakening your drive to actually do it. They cut contact with certain people, not out of anger, but out of self-preservation. Old relationships often carry an old version of you. Being around people who only knew the past you can unconsciously pull you back into old patterns because your brain performs identity based on who's watching. They wait to reveal the change until it's stable, because deep down they know the people who love the new version of them will only trust it once it's real. So they wait, not out of fear, but out of respect for their own transformation. They feel guilty for hiding it, even though hiding it is what made it possible. That guilt isn't a sign they did something wrong. It's a sign they were raised to believe growth should always be visible, shared, and approved of by others. None of this means they're cold, distant, or dishonest. It means they understand something most people never learn. Transformation is fragile in its early stages, and protecting it isn't secrecy, it's survival. We're taught that real change should be loud, declared, celebrated, witnessed. But some of the most powerful reinventions in a person's life happen in complete silence, because silence is where the self gets to experiment without an audience keeping score. The people who rebuild in secret aren't hiding from the world, they're hiding from judgment long enough to become someone judgment can no longer shake. Maybe that's the real definition of self-respect, not needing anyone to witness your becoming, only your becoming. If this described a version of you, one that's changing quietly right now, you're not alone in it. Subscribe, because the next video might explain the part of yourself you haven't found words for yet.